Spectrum's caller ID on TV lets you see who's calling while watching TV. It's a standard feature for Spectrum phone subscribers that displays incoming call information directly on your TV screen via your cable box. To activate it, first ensure your cable box is connected to the internet, either through Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Then press the menu button on your Spectrum remote. Navigate to Settings, then Preferences, and finally select Caller ID. Toggle the feature to On. You might be prompted to enter your Spectrum account credentials to sync your phone data. Test it by calling your Spectrum number from another phone. A pop-up banner should appear on your TV screen, usually in the bottom right corner, showing the caller's name and number. If caller ID isn't working, first check your HDMI connections between the cable box and your TV. A loose connection can prevent the caller ID from displaying. If the information displayed is incorrect, verify your phone settings in the Spectrum app to ensure your contact information is up to date. For delayed pop-ups, try restarting your cable box by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. This can resolve temporary glitches. If the problem persists, use the Spectrum app's diagnostic tool or contact Spectrum support at 1-888-573-2288 for further assistance. Also, keep in mind that older cable box models may not fully support this feature, so consider upgrading if necessary.